Hi everyone. Today we will visit the doctor together.
Yes. We will learn simple English for a doctor's visit.
Don't worry, it's easy and fun. Let's start. Hello Henry, how are you today?
Hi, Emma. I feel a little sick today. I have a headache.
Oh no? You have a headache?
Yes, my head hurts a lot.
Headache means pain in your head. Repeat. Headache.
Headache.
Good.
I also feel a little tired.
Tired means you need rest. Repeat. Tired.
Tired.
Perfect.
I think I should see a doctor.
That is a good idea. Visiting a doctor is very helpful.
Yes, but I don't know what to say at the doctor's office.
Don't worry, Henry. I will help you.
Thank you, Emma. You're always helpful.
You're welcome. Let's imagine we are at the doctor's office now.
Okay, I am at the reception. What should I say?
You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment with the doctor."
Repeat, Emma.
Hello, I have an appointment with the doctor.
Hello, I have an appointment with the doctor.
Excellent.
What if I don't have an appointment?
Then you can say, "Hello, I need to see a doctor, please."
Repeat. I need to see a doctor, please.
I need to see a doctor, please.
I need to see a doctor, please.
Very good.
Okay, now the nurse calls me.
Yes, the nurse will say, "Please come with me."
What should I do?
You just follow the nurse. It is simple.
Now I am in the doctor's room. What should I say first?
You can start with, "Hello, doctor, I feel sick today."
Repeat slowly, Emma.
Hello, doctor, I feel sick today.
Hello, doctor, I feel sick today.
Perfect.
The doctor asks, what are your symptoms?
Symptoms means the problems you feel. Repeat. Symptoms.
Symptoms.
Good.
I can say, I have a headache and I feel tired.
Excellent. You can also add, "I have a fever."
What is fever?
Fever means your body is very hot. Repeat, fever.
Fever.
Great.
The doctor asks, when did your symptoms start?
This question is about time. The doctor wants to know when your sickness started.
I can say, my headache started yesterday.
Very good. Repeat, my headache started yesterday.
My headache started yesterday. The doctor asks, do you have any allergies?
Allergies are things that make your body sick. For example, some people are allergic to milk or dust. Repeat, allergies.
Allergies.
Good.
I can answer, no, I don't have any allergies.
Very simple and correct.
The doctor asks, do you take any medicines?
This question is about medicines you use. Repeat, medicines.
Medicines.
Good.
I can say, yes, I take vitamin C every day.
Perfect sentence.
The doctor says, I will check your temperature and blood pressure.
Temperature is how hot your body is. Blood pressure is how your heart works. Repeat, temperature, blood pressure.
Temperature, blood pressure.
Excellent.
The nurse comes and checks my temperature.
The nurse might say, "Please put this thermometer under your tongue."
Thermometer?
Yes, a thermometer measures your body temperature. Repeat, thermometer.
Thermometer. I put it under my tongue. The nurse says, your temperature is 38 degrees Celsius. You have a fever.
38 degrees means you are a little sick. Repeat, fever.
Fever. The doctor also checks my blood pressure.
Blood pressure shows how your heart works. It is usually written like 120/80. Repeat, blood pressure.
Blood pressure. After checking, the doctor says, you need rest and water.
Rest means to sleep or relax. Water keeps your body healthy. Repeat, rest, water.
Rest, water. The doctor adds, take paracetamol if your headache is strong.
Paracetamol is a medicine for pain and fever. Repeat, paracetamol.
Paracetamol. How many times should I take it?
You can ask, how many times a day should I take this medicine?
Repeat, how many times a day should I take this medicine?
How many times a day should I take this medicine?
How many times a day should I take this medicine? The doctor replies, take it 2 times a day after meals.
After meals means after eating food. Repeat, after meals.
After meals. Okay, doctor, I will do that.
Good. You can also ask, should I avoid any food?
Repeat, should I avoid any food?
Should I avoid any food?
Should I avoid any food? The doctor says, yes, avoid cold drinks and spicy food.
Simple advice for your stomach and health. Repeat, avoid.
Avoid. The doctor asks, do you need a sick note for work?
Sick note is a paper that tells your boss you are sick. Repeat, Sick note.
Sick note. I say, yes, please. I need a sick note.
Very polite sentence.
After finishing, the doctor says, see you in 2 days if you don't feel better.
See you is a polite way to say goodbye. Repeat, see you.
See you. I thank the doctor. Thank you very much, doctor.
Always polite. Repeat, thank you.
Thank you. The nurse says, take care and rest well.
Take care means be careful and healthy. Repeat, take care.
Take care. Now I leave the doctor's office.
Good job. You practiced many sentences for visiting the doctor.
Emma, I learned a lot today.
That's great, Henry. Let's review some important sentences.
Yes, please.
First, I feel sick today.
I feel sick today.
Second, I have a headache and I feel tired.
I have a headache and I feel tired.
Third, I need to see a doctor, please.
I need to see a doctor, please.
Fourth, take it 2 times a day after meals.
Take it 2 times a day after meals.
Fifth, see you in 2 days if you don't feel better.
See you in 2 days if you don't feel better.
Excellent. You repeated all important sentences. This will help you remember.
Emma, what if someone else has different symptoms?
That's easy. You just change the words. For example, I have a cough and a sore throat.
Sore throat?
Yes. Sore throat means your throat hurts. Repeat, sore throat.
Sore throat. Can I also say, I have a stomach ache?
Yes. Stomach ache means your stomach hurts. Repeat, stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
So you see, you can use this model for any sickness.
That makes it easy to talk to the doctor.
Exactly.
Emma, can I ask the doctor questions too?
Yes. Always ask if you don't understand. For example, what should I eat?
What should I eat?
Good. Or, how long will it take to get better?
How long will it take to get better? Emma, what if I forget a word?
Don't worry. You can say, I don't know the word in English. Can you help me?
I don't know the word in English. Can you help me?
Perfect.
Emma, I feel more confident now.
That's wonderful, Henry. Confidence is very important.
Should I practice at home too?
Yes. Practice is the key. You can practice with friends or family.
I will practice every day.
Good plan. Remember, short and clear sentences are best.
Yes, short and clear.
Now let's do a small review before we finish.
Okay, Emma.
When you arrive at the doctor, hello, I need to see a doctor, please.
Hello, I need to see a doctor, please.
When you tell symptoms, I have a headache and I feel tired.
I have a headache and I feel tired.
When the doctor gives medicine, take it 2 times a day after meals.
Take it 2 times a day after meals.
When leaving, thank you very much, doctor. Take care.
Thank you very much, doctor. Take care.
Very good. You repeated all important phrases.
I feel ready to visit the doctor now.
That's amazing, Henry, and everyone watching, remember to repeat these sentences.
Repeat is very important for learning English.
Yes. The more you repeat, the better you speak.
Exactly.
That's all for today's lesson. You learned how to visit the doctor and talk in simple English.
Practice these sentences, and you will be confident.
Don't forget to stay healthy and rest if you feel sick.
And drink water.
Yes, drink water. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, Emma, for helping me.
You're welcome, Henry.
And thank you, everyone, for watching.
Yes, thank you.
Please remember to subscribe to our channel, Mastery in English.
And like this video.
Comment below with your favorite sentence from today.
We love reading your comments.
See you in the next video.
See you. Bye.
Bye.